Click Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter email and password to sign in. The online quotation has been submitted. You can check the quotation progress in quotation. Click Please confirm the quotation. The quotation has been completed. Confirm the order price, quantity, processing technology, etc. Click Accept the quotation and start producting. Click Edit to fill in your ship address. Fill in full name, address, city, state, country, zip code, email address. Click Next. Click Edit to set your payment method. Choose Payment Method. Click Next. Click Order Now. After confirming the payment method, click Pay With or Pay Now. If you choose bank transfer as your payment method, please submit the payment voucher here. We will manually review it. Click Upload Payment Receipt. The order has officially entered the production status. On the order management page, you can track the entire process, including production progress, quality inspection results, shipping status, until the order is successfully delivered. On the order management homepage, you can view detailed information about past orders,